This Digistore24 affiliate marketing tutorial is for beginners. I will teach you everything you need to know, starting from how to find a profitable Digistore24 affiliate product to how to promote the affiliate product using the LHAT method so that you can start making money on Digistore24. You can do this in 4 easy steps. The third step is the most important step to make this work. If you skip this step, you will say that this Digistore24 affiliate marketing method doesn't work. The step 4 is how to make money on Digistore24. This is an easy to follow affiliate marketing for beginners video. So do these exact steps I show in this video so that you can actually make money with Digistore. Are you ready to make money? Then give this video a like and let's get started. The first step, if you don't have a Digistore24 account already, click on the Start Now button and create your free account. Here you need to fill some basic details. Since you want to just promote affiliate products and make money, select affiliate. Then give a username, your email and set a password. Next, fill in the personal details and click register button. Moving on to step 2, I will show you how to select a profitable Digistore24 affiliate product. Click on Marketplace and you will see several products which are listed by sales rank. With each product, they give data about the product. It is important that you understand what this data actually means for you to make money on Digistore. Stay with me, I will explain everything. Let's take this as an example. This amount is what you will get if someone buys this affiliate product to your affiliate link. Earnings per sale is the average revenue the vendor earns per customer. Earnings per cart visitor is the average revenue that you make per cart visitor. Sales rank is the position in the ranking list on Digistore24. Now, pay close attention. These last two are the most important ones when selecting the Digistore affiliate product. The cart conversion is the percentage value that determines how many cart visitors actually buy the product. For example, this means that if 100 people land on this page, only 3 people will buy. The cancellation rate is the percentage of buyers who cancel products after they have made a purchase. So this means that out of 100 people that bought the product, around 16 people have asked for a refund. When you select a product, make sure it has a high cart conversion rate and a low cancellation rate. Obviously, this is not a product I want to choose. As an example, let me select this Digistore24 affiliate product to promote. To get the affiliate link, click on Promote Now. Copy this link and I will show you what to do with it in step 4. You will make $30 every time someone buys this affiliate product using your affiliate link. How much money do you want to make from Digistore24 each day? Leave a comment below so that I can create more videos to help you reach your goal. Let's say, for example, you want to make $100 with this Digistore affiliate product. Then this is what you need to do. Here it says the cart conversion is 7%. That means that if you can get 100 people who are interested in this product to the sales page, out of that, 7 people will end up buying this product. But let's make it even more realistic. Let's say that out of 100 people, only 4 people went on to buy the product. That means you make $120. The trick here is to get people who might be interested in this product to visit the page. So how do you find people who are interested in this product? One of the best ways to do that is by using the LHAT method. It stands for Legally Hijack Active Traffic, and I will explain how it works. Going back to the Digistore affiliate product, what type of people would be interested in this product? For example, someone interested in health and fitness is likely to buy this product than a random person. This method will work with any affiliate product. Follow the steps I'm about to show you. To make this method work, you need to find an expired domain that still gets loads of active traffic in a niche related to your affiliate product. For example, here is one such domain. Here you see if I type this domain in Google, there are loads of websites referring back to. You can use this traffic and make money with Digistore. But first let me show you how to find such domain. I use this online tool. It helps you detect expired domains that already have high active traffic. I will leave the link in the description below. They offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try this method risk-free. Enter a keyword related to your Digistore affiliate product. Next, select from where you want to get traffic. I recommend using YouTube or Quora because people that come from those websites are more likely to buy the affiliate product you are promoting. Once you click Start, it will scan these websites and find available domain. So how do you make money with this? Basically, there is already active traffic. People that are interested in this niche are coming to this expired domain link. What you need to do is send them to your affiliate link. Keep watching. I will show you how you can do that. Once you find such domain with high active traffic, register the expired domain. Usually these domains are very cheap. For example, let's take this web link. It's around $8, which is the price of a few coffee cups. And you can cover that cost and make more money. For example, if you just make one sale of this product, not only will you break even, but you will also make a profit of $20. Once you have the domain, you need to redirect the domain to the affiliate link you got from step 2. I'm going to use Namecheap to demo this. Log in to Namecheap and then click on domain list. For example, I use this website to show you. Click Manage. Then you see a section Redirect Domain. Select Add Redirect. Source URL is the expired domain that you just registered. For the destination URL, paste the Digistore affiliate link you got from step 2. It is as simple as that. Now anyone coming to the expired domain website will be automatically redirected to your affiliate link and you will make money with Digistore when they buy. This method is just one of the ways to do Digistore affiliate marketing. Check out these other methods as well and see which one is best for you.